to go ahead and set everything up ahead of time. If I were you, I'd do that. It makes it much easier to work with the whole process of making papas rellenas. I put this in a pot because I warmed it up just a little bit. It was in the refrigerator, and what happens is if you don't refrigerate it, you know, and have it come out stiff, you know, and you have some stuff in the bottom that gets hard. So you want to warm it up ever so slightly, not too much. Then I have my mashed potatoes from the night before in a big bowl to work with here. And I put my cracker meal over here in a separate plate. Just do a generous amount of cracker meal. Put some around the plate like this. You want to have enough to move around the ball of potato and meat. Okay, so just make sure you have enough there. And then we're going to go ahead and beat 2 eggs. Beat them very well so that way you don't have clumps of egg on the potato when you put it into the bowl of potato. Okay,